a short executive brief on something behind the scenes that quietly de-risks our whole roadmap. How we roll out changes to data that already exists, across millions of documents, safely, with nobody noticing. We call it the migration framework. Let me give you the bottom line. 4 things. When we improve the product, we can bring that change to the data customers already have, not just to new data. It happens with no downtime and no slowdown, because the work runs overnight, off the path users are on. It always finishes. If a server restarts, it picks up on its own and it's applied exactly once. And it's reusable. Every future data upgrade rides the same proven machinery, so we ship faster and safer. In plain terms, it's a self-managing work order. Here's the challenge. When we ship an improvement, the code change only helps documents created from now on. The millions already stored still need updating, and on the right, what that update has to guarantee. Every customer can have millions of existing documents that still need the change. Doing it the obvious way, all at once, in the middle of the day, is risky. It can slow the service, force downtime, or stop half-finished if anything fails. So what we need is an update that's invisible to users, reliable enough to always finish, even if a server restarts, and safe enough to apply exactly once. Never twice, never skipped. The idea is one you already know: renovating a building while people still live in it. You don't evict everyone and lock the doors. The building stays open. A small crew works at night, a few rooms at a time. And if the crew stops early, tomorrow they just continue from the next unfinished room. That's exactly how we update existing documents. The system stays fully open for business. The work happens in small overnight batches, off hours, so customers never feel it. And if anything interrupts it, it resumes from where it left off rather than starting over. Residents never notice, and one morning the whole building is upgraded. A peek under the hood, just enough. It's a self-managing work order. In 4 moves, appearing here one at a time, create the work order for a customer. Work overnight in small batches. Track its own progress and resume itself. And know when it's done. For each customer, we open a work order, the task of bringing their documents up to date. Each night it processes a small batch, never everything at once and never on the user's path. It remembers what's left, so a restart or a failure just continues next time. Nobody has to babysit it. And it can tell when nothing is left to update, marks the job complete, and never runs it twice. Best of all, the same machinery is reused. Every future data upgrade is just a new work order on the same rails. No new plumbing to build or supervise. So what does it guarantee for the business? 4 things, appearing one by one. No disruption, always finishes, applied exactly once, and reusable. No disruption. It runs overnight, off the user's path, so no downtime and no slowdown. Always finishes. It survives restarts and failures, resuming on its own until every document is done. Exactly once, applied a single time per customer, never double counted, never half applied, never skipped. And reusable, future upgrades ride the same rails, faster to ship with the same safety built in. This isn't theory, it's how we rolled out the faster archive upgrade across every tenant, quietly and to completion. Where this goes next, it's already proven the way the faster archive upgrade reached every customer. More importantly, it de-risks our roadmap. Changes that touch existing data are no longer scary or disruptive. Our ask of the room: keep investing in this as the standard way we roll out data changes. In one sentence, we can change data that already exists across millions of documents, quietly, overnight, and guaranteed to finish, with no downtime, no slowdown, applied exactly once, and reusable for every future upgrade. It's how we ship the faster archive upgrade to every customer, and how we'll ship the next one. Thank you. Happy to take questions.